What's up? We're back. Today, right now, we're gonna make some pickled cauliflower. Some turmeric pickled, we're gonna use some paprika, we got a bunch of spices. Let's figure out how to make it. You can use any cauliflower you want, like there's purple cauliflower, you can use broccoli, you can use those like cool like Fibonacci spiral broccoli things. I forget what they're called, but they're crazy looking vegetables. So what we're gonna start doing is we're gonna take equal parts of apple cider vinegar. We're doing 2 jars here, so I'm thinking 1.5 cups of vinegar combined with 1.5 cups of water. And this is our quick pickle liquid. Just like that. We're gonna get it to a boil. Let it boil on the heat for like 5 minutes, and then you're gonna take it off the heat, and that's ready to go. So while that's getting ready, we're gonna prepare our jars. We got 2 jars. This used to be jalapenos. This used to be more pickled cauliflower. So some people might be saying right now we should definitely sanitize these jars, which I already took the liberty of doing before I drove over to Joe's. But also, we're just doing a quick pickle, so that's not 100% necessary. Just, you know, make sure you have a nice clean jar. So we're just gonna start, we're gonna cut the cauliflower, and you're just gonna cut a little circle into the stem, and boom. And you can do whatever size cauliflowers you want. If you want big guys like that, take big guys, but if you want it a little bit smaller, just give it a nice cut. One. If you want to take a break, you can let your cat out.
Okay, you want to go outside?
What we're going to do now, we're going to slice ginger. I'm throwing like 3 slices in each jar. You don't need to peel it. We're going to take a jalapeno. I'm just going to cut it in half, just like that. We're going to save the seeds, half per jar.
What's a jalapeno?
Or not a jalapeno, a habanero. Did I say jalapeno? We're gonna take a jalapeno. We're gonna take a jalapeno. Habanero. You wanna use a habanero. Way spicier than a jalapeno. And now, the secret ingredient, what makes it all orange and cool looking. 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Next, teaspoon of peppercorns. Next, we have rosemary. I love the flavor this adds to the pickle. I'm gonna use a little bit more, like 2 or 3 pinches per jar. Next, we're gonna go coriander seeds and a cinnamon stick. So if I was smart, I would have put the cinnamon stick in before the cauliflower. But as we all know, I'm not that smart, so we're putting the cinnamon stick in now. And then I'm gonna do a pinch of coriander seeds, fresh from Joe's mom's garden. These are great. And last but not least, garlic. Just like that. It's big garlic. And I feel like I'm forgetting something. What am I forgetting? Paprika. Teaspoon of paprika in. Teaspoon of paprika in. These make the best gifts if you're, you know, lazy during Christmas time. You got a secret Santa at work. You don't like the people you work with. This is cheap and easy. And you're just gonna take the pour. Nicey nice, and fill that jar all the way. Perfect. So you're just gonna cap it, give it a shake, and in 3 to 5 days, that's ready to eat. 2 days even, that'll be ready to eat. Give it 3 days and it'll get a nice orange color. Just like this. I made a batch about 2 weeks ago. I made 3 jars, and this is all I have left. And this is the final product right here. Pickled cauliflower. Picks up the nice orange, yellow color from the turmeric and the paprika. Oh, they're beautiful. And they taste so good. So good. Best pickle you ever had. Guaranteed.